In general, pipe routing either start from, or end at a pressure vessel. Effect of piping loads on a vessel nozzle and effect of the vessel loads on piping design needs to be considered during the stress analyses. Additionally, the effect of vessel shell flexibility also needs to be considered. The effects of the piping loads are the weight of the pipe itself and thermal expansion. The effect of the vessel loads to piping is due to external forces and thermal expansion of the vessel. Stress analyses should be considered in combination of piping design, nozzle connection, and shell, together. If we analyze the piping only, you will have to accept the shell connection as a rigid connection, but it is flexible. And the output shell connection forces and moments from this analysis will become very high. Due to high output values, you will have to add expansion loops on your design to reduce the loads that will be expensive and not safe because of the occasional loads, vibration, and earthquake. So, we should consider in combination of piping, nozzle, and shell of the vessel together.